Hey friends, my name is Melinda. I'm a Sephora beauty director, and today I want to talk about body care because to me it is an extension of my skincare, and at Sephora there are so many options for body care. Obviously, we're going to look at texture, even skin tone, firming up that skin, and of course hydration, but I want to show you a few of my favorites, so let's jump in. All right, let's talk texture, baby, because let's be real, we all have texture. It's something I deal with a lot. So this is a go-to for me. It's from First Aid Beauty, and it's the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. So KP, or Keratosis pilaris, is just like a little skin thing that happens. It's also sometimes referred to as chicken skin because it kind of mimics the appearance of the bumps you see on chicken skin. Basically, it's your hair follicle just getting clogged up with dead skin, creates a little red bump. We don't love it. So this one's really awesome because it has both physical and chemical exfoliating properties. So the pumice beads that are in it are going to help physically exfoliate, while the acids in it are going to have that chemical exfoliation. So not only does this reverse KP, it also helps to prevent it. All right, so another one for texture. This one's from Skin Fix, and it's the Resurface AHA BHA Renewing Cream. A lot of people don't realize that you might not actually have as much texture as you think you do. It might just be because your skin is dehydrated, it's thirsty, so it's accentuating those fine lines, the look of your pore size, etc., etc. This stuff is dreamy. It's so luxurious. It feels incredible going on. It's nice and thick, and it also has those AHA BHAs in it, so it's going to chemically exfoliate your skin. It's almost like the perfect two-in-one. All right, so now let's talk about even skin tone. So this one's from Topicals, and it's the Faded Brightening and Clearing Mist. I don't know about you, but I grew up with acne my whole life, even up until my early mid-20s, and gosh, do I wish that this would have existed. It is so good. It does exactly what it says. It fades and it helps to clear. So you can literally just spray it on like this, get those hard to reach places, and it has these acids in it. They're gonna help fade the appearance of dark spots. It's going to help keep that acne clear, and you won't be reaching over backwards trying to get your product on properly. So now firming. Firming is so important. We lose the elasticity in our skin over time, and that's kind of what makes it look nice and plump and youthful, but we have something for that, especially for the body. So this is Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Boom Boom Body Cream. So iconic. You've definitely seen this or heard about it because it is a cult following favorite for sure. It's known for its really beautiful gourmand scent that is just so yummy, like really, really yummy. And you can tell by the formula, even just looking at it, like it's so luxurious. It goes on really thick and it makes your skin just plump immediately. Has this instant gratification as well because it has a bit of a sheen to it, so it visibly firms your skin. All right, last but definitely not least, let's talk about hydration. This one's from 54 Thrones. It's the African Beauty Butter Collection Deluxe Tin. This brand is awesome. It's part of our 15% pledge. It's a Black-owned brand, and they have killer products. This set comes with 5 different hand and body butters. What I love is I constantly forget to hydrate and moisturize my hands, so I love that you can take this on the go, throw it in your bag, leave one in your car, that kind of thing. So these are just a few of my favorite body care products, but Sephora has a ton. I think that we can make a pact here right now, you and me, that we're gonna commit to taking care of our skin from the neck down going forward. So be sure to like this video, show me some love, subscribe so you don't miss out on more like this, and comment below if I missed out on any of your favorite body care picks. I'd love to see it. I'll see you all next time. Bye.